Video 1, download and install RoboForm. Now the download location will vary depending on where you're watching this video. If you're watching it from YouTube, you just need to go down a little bit and you'll see just underneath the video there's a little link here. If you click that link, it'll take you to the main download page. Now this is where the video 1 actually lives, but if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see this big purple picture here. First thing you're going to need to do is you're going to click the picture, which will then take you, if you notice, to the main roboform.com website where we can click Get It Now. Then depending on which web browser you've got will depend on how you're going to save the file, but I assume you know how to do that, so I'm going to save this file. And it's completed, and now I'm going to close the browser. I'm then going to locate that file, so I know the file lives in here, and I'm going to double click this program file, which will then ask me if I want to run the program. Well, I do. It extracts the programs, and you're going to need to click on this I agree checkbox here. Yeah, I mean, you can read the license. It's then going to ask me a few questions. One of them is, do I want to install RoboForm for all Windows users? So in other words, do I want RoboForm installed so that any single person who logs onto this machine or the machine you're installing it on can use it? Well, I do, so I'm going to leave that checked. And also asks me if I want to install the Firefox adapter. Well, I'm using Firefox, so I certainly do. So I'm going to click Next. It's just going to say, it's going to automatically check if my browser window's open. It needs to close them all. So I'm just going to say yes, I don't mind. And you then come to the set master password. Now, we will be setting a master password, but not just yet. We'll do that in a later step. So we're going to skip that for now. And it's going to start itself up. It's going to give you the change history. I can hide this message. And if you can see this RoboForm toolbar here, and in the system tray, you know you've correctly installed RoboForm. So that's the end of the download and installation video. You can now move on to video 2.